What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to go over Trias real quick. Guys, first of all, I launched a private Discord channel about a month ago, a little under a month ago, actually, and I have got a link to it if you guys have interest in joining that. I'm currently offering a 2-week free trial for anybody that wants to hop in. That 2-week free trial will be ending at the end of this month, January. So come February 1st, I will not be offering 2 weeks free any longer. So if you guys want to hop in and take advantage of that now, I suggest doing that here soon before February 1st. So you have 3 days. All right. First of all, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. Let's hop into the Trias chart. So we're going to start on a macro view, and then we're going to dive into the micro. So on a macro view, if you guys have been following me, this is redundant, but still I am viewing this as a one wave here, an A, B, C, or this could be a WXY, and then a 3-wave up to, at least $250, a 4-wave, and then a potential 5-wave up to around 500. That is my macro view on Trias. This entire structure here is a flat of some sort, an ABC flat of some sort, or a WXY. If my C target, if this happens to be a 5-wave, is around 470, and then if this is a WXY, my target would be about 360. So somewhere around there is my range of where I believe the bottom will go. Let's hop into the micro so I can show you guys what I am thinking is going to play out over the next week or so. All right, so my primary view is that this is a 5-wave down, meaning this is a C at a big, large macro ABC and not a WXY. So that's what this video is going to be based off of, is the ABC. I'm viewing a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. And this is the final 5th wave down. And I have got it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are on our final 5 of 5 down. So what I'm seeing as of right now is that this wave here is a 4-wave, a 4 of 5. So if that is the case, I'm basically looking at this entire structure right now as a WXY, and we are about ready to finish our Y wave here, which should and could put in our 4th wave. And then from there, we will impulse in a 5-wave manner down to finish our 5th wave and our final macro C. And then from that point there, I would want to see an impulsive move, a 5-wave impulsive structure off the low. If we see a 5-wave impulsive structure off of the low, or a leading diagonal, which is also a 5-wave impulsive structure, then that is where I would start to form the opinion that the bottom is in. If this, once we bottom down here, if this structure is corrective, meaning it's moving in 3-wave structures or a complex type of corrective structure, then I cannot confidently say the bottom is in. So really, ideally, what we would want to see once we get down here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse, something like that. And then we would need a 1, 2 in order to finish and complete that structure. So 2 things we will need to see. Again, we would need to see a 5-wave impulse, whether it be a motive wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning that each one of these impulse waves is made up of 5 subwaves, or a leading diagonal, which would mean that each one of these impulse waves, these motive waves, 1, 3, and 5, would actually be ABCs. So you would have an ABC, which would be your 1, and then an ABC down, ABC up, ABC down, ABC up. That would be a leading diagonal, which would then put in your 1. And then you would need, the second thing you would need to see would be a 2-wave to hold anywhere from 786 to 618. Technically speaking, this motive wave here, this impulse wave, would not be invalidated until that bottom is breached. So, a two wave could go as deep as a little bit below 786, but if it goes down below the origin or the starting point of wave one here, then that wave gets invalidated and we can assume that there is more downside to come. So really what we need to do once we bottom is form an impulsive wave up and then hold here as a two wave and then finish our 3, 4, 5. So that would indicate a bottom. So that is what to look for, guys. Hopefully this helps. See y'all later.